Okay. So I did that piece. That piece. And then the piece that's under here. Kind of ended up being a pain in the butt. So it ended up being one, to remake this corner curve, two, to reconnect it, 3, 4, 5. So it ended up being 5 pieces, and I still need to do a little bit of hammering and smoothing out, but then I'll shoot some epoxy primer on it, and then we're getting there. That's the trunk rail, or the gutter, whatever you want to call it. Gutter. That's what I'll call it, the gutter. But yeah, I got all my tools out of here, all messed up. I'm gonna clean this all up, wrap up my cords. It's part of the quarter panel I've been using for parts. Tools need to be straightened back up. But that's what I did. Had a service call this morning and come back here and worked on this for a little bit. Heater's working, 67 degrees. I've used a little over half a tank in 2 days. So, anyways, I'm gonna clean this mess up and I'm out of here. Night night.